I can say whatever I want, no? Greedy, weedy, and.
Anyways, you say whatever you want, so it doesn't matter. Now just people will get to know how you are in real life. Hi guys, so I'm back from Russia, finally in Nasik, and it has been such a long trip, a month-long trip, and I'm very tired but very happy with my performance. It was really good. I reached the quarterfinals. But during the tournament, I was off social media. So I had no Instagram, no Twitter, no YouTube, no Facebook, nothing. And I have not been putting out content. But I'm going to make up for it by putting a lot of content this week, because I have recorded all the things that happened during the journey, like how we lost wallet in the flight and the craziness around it, then how I met Anish Giri after 2 years, and then me and Srinath went on a trip in Russia, so we recorded a lot of parts of that and how Russia was so beautiful.
And doing Instagram live with Russian people.
Yes, that too. And the 70 hours, 50 hours journey back home. So many interesting moments happened, and I've recorded that. And that will be coming in the next 5-6 vlogs. So stay tuned and enjoy.
But wait.
So guys, आपको पता है कि World Cup is a big event, and playing such big events was a dream for me when I was growing up as a child. And I'm sure जो students देख रहे होंगे, आपके भी कुछ ऐसे dreams होंगे. For example, to become an IITian or to become a great doctor, like this Namuna wants to do here. So I have a good news for you. Unacademy Prodigy is holding India's largest scholarship exam on 14th and 15th August for absolutely free. And the exam or the papers are prepared by India's top educators, and you can immediately check your all India rank after your exams.
Yes guys, मुझे पता है कि नीट कितना कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम है, क्योंकि मैंने भी दिया है. और अगर मेरे टाइम ये अपॉर्चुनिटी होता तो डेफिनेटली इट वुड हैव हेल्प मी. और आईफोन किसको नहीं चाहिए, राइट? क्योंकि सब भाई अच्छे गिफ्ट थोड़ी देते हैं. So
That's true. अगर आपके भाई भी मेरे तरह है जो अच्छे गिफ्ट नहीं देते, this is your chance, because the prize pool of this scholarship exam is 11 crore rupees, and you can win MacBook Air, iPhone 12, iPad, OnePlus and many other gifts.
And the most interesting thing guys, अगर language is a barrier for you, so बिल्कुल टेंशन नहीं लेना है, क्योंकि Unacademy पे 12+ लैंग्वेजेस में क्लासेस अवेलेबल है. और अगर आपको टाइम बैरियर लगता है, जैसे कि आपको लगता है कि पहले व्लॉग देखिए, स्ट्रीमिंग देखिए, Unacademy, तो Unacademy आपको बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है कि क्लासेस रिकॉर्ड करिए. तो पहले व्लॉग देखिए एंड फिर गो एंड
वॉच इट ऑन Unacademy Plus. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आपको एग्जाम देनी है विच इज़ फॉर एब्सोल्युटली फ्री, यूज द कोड VG10. एंड इफ यू वांट एनी अदर course or classes which you want to attend on Unacademy, you can still use the code VG10 and get 10% off.
So what are you waiting guys? Let's get started.
चल
जाएगा तेरे को अभी ना,
अभी चल जाएगा.
अभी चला लेंगे मुंबई तक.
आता हूँ. टेक केयर. बाय.
कांटेक्ट में बाय.
Mumbai airport in its full glory. COVID हो, lockdown हो, there'll always be a little bit of crowd, doesn't matter what. Amazing to have the feeling of flying again after such a long time, after almost 2 years. The vice captain right now, all alone, just like in his streams. I said you're all alone here, just like in your streams and in life.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So you're having Gujarati son, making me proud, huh?
Yeah.
What happened? Everyone left you?
No, I wanted to eat first. Others wanted to check in first.
No eagerness to go to Russia.
Lot of eagerness, but first food, I'm not going to get this for another 2 weeks.
Oh, it actually smells good. What are you having?
Yeah, I'm not going to get pav bhaji for another 2-3 weeks. So
You're having pav bhaji, yeah?
yeah, priorities.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask you, how many people recognized you in Mumbai?
0.
What?
Yeah.
How?
Why not? Like,
Mumbai airport, I thought people look like Vidit sir.
No.
Can I get a selfie?
No.
How?
No one.
This is unbelievable.
Okay, first of all, I'm wearing mask. Maybe that's one of the thing. And also, I have only 192k subscribers, not like 1 million.
I myself got recognized by 2 people.
You got recognized at Chennai Airport.
Yeah. You did not in Mumbai.
Your moment of fame.
Unbelievable.
Srinath's moment of fame. Like, were you wearing mask and all? But still.
Yeah, I was wearing mask. I was at the
Wow.
security.
And that's why you put the Instagram photo to tell everyone where you are. Now I get it.
As if you didn't.
I put photo when I was boarding the flight, not before.
Okay.
You used 220 IQ there. Nice. Are you going to be a coach or are you going to be a vlogger?
I'm going to be a coach who features in your vlogs.
Who features in my vlog? It will be just like chess, huh? I'll do all the work.
I think it's very opposite of that.
Enjoy your pav bhaji. What the hell is this? What are you carrying from India?
My extension of my hand.
Yes.
Couple of mouses, one wireless. It's all essentials.
This is messier than my life, bro. Hi. Oh, AD is also here.
ये तो फोन ले रही है ये क्या कर रहे हैं
Yes. Yes, it is of course going to come in the vlog.
I can say whatever I want, no? 3DVD and...
Anyways, you say whatever you want, so it doesn't matter.
Yes.
So now just people will get to know how you are in real life.
How are you?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Dad is asking who is this joker?
Hi, uncle.
With the mask, he could not figure you out. He was
Really?
like, who is this guy who looks
Nobody has been able to figure me out yet.
like this? Can I use
Use
the
the vlogger
term?
now.
Camera is roaming around.
Like...
Anything for content. You know.
Yes.
Anything for content,
What are
Harika.
you doing? Adiba को देखो, he is very much interested.
अरे views कम नहीं करने.
Yeah, like look at C, no? It looks so weird. Something is wrong with that.
That's his entire life. I think it must be the first time that we are going say in advance itna.
Yeah.
Generally,
5 days.
exactly. Usually how it is, like we go one day rest and next day immediate matches.
So babe, you are still recording all that.
Yes.
I think he's not want to leave next season.
And how is your World Cup preparation? Do you know who you play? Can you tell your opponents?
I know, but I will not tell. I should not judge who will win, so I will not tell any name.
Oh, nice. Before the vlog, we know what happened, but the truth, you know, I think this is the story of every tournament we used to play. Tamil reunion. No?
Yeah.
Like we always get isolated, but at least you also understand.
Yeah.
But हमारे लिए तो कुछ भी नहीं, मतलब ये like isolated completely. Yeah, so I already
Now you are
uploaded.
showing chess players life, huh?
I already made 14 vlogs.
Sorry, I didn't.
Thank you, Harika, for subscribing to my channel. Yo. Good thing is, I don't know how to flip the camera. We got this. What is this emergency seat? Yeah?
It's not an emergency seat, but it's the first seat.
Yeah.
So generally, something you get by paying extra.
Just got done with the RT-PCR tests and only Srinath is here waiting for the rest of the team. Our next flight is in 2 hours, close to 2 hours, so I think we'll make it. So अभी 2 इशू हो गए हैं. One is जो हमारे कोच अभिजीत कुंटे वुमेन टीम के कोच, उनका वॉलेट फ्लाइट में गिर गया एंड उनको फिर वापस जाके कलेक्ट नहीं करने दिया है. So now there's a big problem that he has to somehow complain or do something to get access to the wallet. But the problem is कि हमारा फ्लाइट अभी next 20 minutes में है और हमको पहुंचने को ही वहाँ पे 20 मिनट्स लग जाएंगे. बोर्डिंग टाइम शुरू हो जाएगा. सो इट्स अ बिग मेस. एंड हम आते ही वहाँ पे हमको एक एरोफ्लोट का एक बैच पहना हुआ एक इंसान दिखा. We thought that he is helping us, but apparently वो टैक्सी वाला था and he took us outside and just cheated and wasted our 10 minutes. So I don't know how Abhijit Dada he will get a wallet, but yeah, we are just rushing and going towards the gate. But it says only like 30 minutes.
I could get a cardiac arrest if I run distance.
No, it says 13 minutes to reach, and then we also have to do baggage security check.
No, that will take 5 minutes. Not like India, where you take it already.
But we have only 20 minutes until boarding.
Basically, let them announce your name, no? Visit Gujarati, please take it to the page number or whatever.
I don't want to be famous this way. But basically, Srinath को जो भी
घूमता है वो मिल जाता है.
Srinath, what about your ex?
The things, yes, people know.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and ऐसे बहुत सारे vlogs आने वाले हैं. Before that, don't forget to check out the link in description for Unacademy. And if you want to watch what happened next in the World Cup, you have to
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and share. Ever.
share. Double share कर दो guys, double share कर दो. Bye bye.